Transform your Nikon D3500 into a professional-grade webcam for your Mac with this simple guide. First, you'll need to download the Nikon Webcam utility for macOS. Head over to the official Nikon support website and search for your D3500. Locate the Downloads section and find the Webcam Utility Installer for Mac. Download and run the installer. Following all on-screen prompts, you might need to restart your Mac after installation. Next, connect your Nikon D3500 to your Mac using a USB cable. Ensure the camera is powered on. You'll need to set your camera to movie recording mode. Look for the movie recording icon on your mode dial and rotate it to that position. Now, on your D3500, you need to go into the Cameras menu. Navigate to the Setup menu, usually indicated by a wrench icon. Find the USB connection setting and select PC connection. This tells the camera to transmit its feed to your computer. Open your preferred video conferencing application or streaming software on your Mac. In the Video Settings or Camera Selection menu, you should now see Nikon D3500 or a similar option listed. Select it as your camera source. You're now ready to go. For optimal results, consider placing your D3500 on a stable surface or tripod. Use reasonable lighting to ensure your image is clear and well exposed. Adjust your camera's focus to manual for consistent sharpness, and experiment with aperture and ISO settings within the camera's movie mode for the best video quality. With these simple steps, your Nikon D3500 is now a powerful webcam, elevating your video calls, streams, and content creation on your Mac. Enjoy the enhanced quality.